How to check recently unadded friends on Snapchat. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to see deleted or removed friends on Snapchat step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Tap on the gear icon at the top right to open settings. Scroll down and tap on My Data. You now need to select on what data to export and download. Once selected, click Next. Now, select your data range, like last week, last year, or all time. Then tap Submit Request. Snapchat will create your data file and create a link to download the export. Under your exports, you'll see a download button linked to a zip file. Download the file. After that, open the downloaded file and extract it. Open the folder, then go to HTML and tap on Friends. Scroll down until you find Deleted Friends. Here, you'll see a list of recently unadded friends, along with their usernames and timestamps. And that's it. That's how you can check recently unadded friends on Snapchat easily.